Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft OneNote for note organization, full guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft OneNote on your computer. Choose a notebook to work with or create a new one by clicking on File and selecting New. Name your notebook and select a location to save it. Once your notebook is created, familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you'll find the Notebook panel. This panel contains sections, which can be compared to tabs in a physical binder. To create a new section, click on the plus icon next to Sections. Name your new section, ensuring it reflects the content you plan to work. To add pages within that section, click the plus icon near the Page panel on the right. You can title each page according to the topics or subjects you want to cover. To start taking notes, click on the blank area of your new page. You can type your notes directly or use the sketching feature for handwritten notes. To organize your notes better, use tags by highlighting text and selecting Tag from the toolbar. This feature allows you to categorize notes for quick access later. You can also insert tables for structured information by clicking on Insert and selecting Table. For multimedia content, you can add it. To create to-do lists, use the checkbox option in the Home tab. This allows you to keep track of tasks related to your notes. To search for specific information within your notes, use the search bar located at the top right. If you want to share your notebook, click on File and select Share. You can then invite others by email or share a link. To sync your notes across devices, make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account. Adjust the settings by clicking on File, then Options, to customize your OneNote experience. Explore additional features like audio recording and screen clipping for enhanced note-taking. Regularly review and organize your notes to maintain clarity and effectiveness. Utilize the tagging feature to assign priority levels for easy sorting. Consider using different notebooks for various subjects or projects for better organization. Familiarize yourself with shortcuts to streamline your note-taking process. With practice, you'll find a note organization style that works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.